Okay, so hi, this time you will try to log in using the app My OpenLMS. So you can find it sa Play Store and just type in OpenLMS as you can see here. And then you will see this apps. But of course, the first one, yan po yung ating gagamitin. So I'm going to download it and install it on my phone. So hopefully it's going to be fast para mabilis din yung ating demonstration. Okay, so it's installing right now. So tapos na siyang mag-install. Now let's open it. Once you use it for the first time, so it will ask for a website. Okay, so all you have to do first is to choose between I'm a learner or I'm an educator. So we are a learner here. So I will choose that. Now type in rmmc.myopenlms.net. So ang ginawa natin is sinet up natin yung home site natin. So whenever we open OpenLMS from our mobile phone, we will be directed to our website. So that's it. And click go. So this is your preface or the login screen. Now if you remember what I told you before, that you will need to use your ID number to log in. Okay, I have a new student there. And then the default password that has been provided to you. Okay. So, meron akong dalawang subjects kung saan ako na-enroll. Where do I find that? Right here sa dashboard. So, ayan. So, as you can see right here, these are the courses that the student is enrolled in. We have two courses, IT Exploring Class In and Test Scores. Okay. So, from this view, you can tap on the course, like say for example IT Exploring Class In, and then you can see there what are the current activities. So merong testing class in, that's a class in activity, but since it's over, it's finished, so we cannot see any indicator where we can enter the class anymore. So let's go back and choose the test scores. So, ito naman yung homepage ng test scores. Now, remember, I'm using the app right now. So, ganyan ang display. So, that's the name of the course right there. Test scores. And then, merong assignment dito. What are the 10 commandments of computer ethics? So, if you want to start answering that, you just have to click on it. And you will be redirected to the answer page. Okay. So it says list all 10 commandments of computer ethics. Submission is in the form of a text file or write your answer on the entry field provided. Okay. So if you want to answer that, you just click on the add submission. So meron pang 6 days and 14 minutes until the due date. So that's September 11. Okay, let's just skip that part and go back. So, ganito lang naman yung makikita natin when we log into OpenLMS using the app. Okay, and let's go back. How does the app look like? Ito, as you can see that. Ito yung app. OpenLMS. Alright. Okay. Now, how do you log out? If you have other accounts, you can log out via the settings. Dito sa lower left rightmost corner. Okay. and change site. So to log out, you just have to click change site. Currently, ang nakalagin is si Pedro Bukag. And then add. Click on the add button here. And yes, just provide the same site, but you will be asked for another login credentials. So, pwedeng magdagdag ng isa pang estudyante. That is kung meron ka pang ibang account na ginagamit. Okay? And that's it. I hope this helps. Okay. Alright.